Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start with the caramel. In this video, I will show how to make Leche Flan with Nestle cream. First, melt 1/2 cup of granulated sugar directly in your anura over low heat until it turns a rich amber color. Carefully swirl the anura to evenly coat the bottom and about 1 inch up the sides. Set this aside to cool and harden. This step is crucial for a beautiful, glossy top. Next, let's prepare the creamy custard. In a large bowl, gently combine 12 egg yolks, 1 can of condensed milk, and 1 can of Nestle cream. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to elevate the flavor profile. Whisk these ingredients together slowly, just until they are fully incorporated. Over-whisking can introduce too much air, which might create bubbles in your finished flan. Now it's time to steam our flan to perfection. Carefully pour the custard mixture through a fine mesh sieve directly into your anura, which should now have hardened caramel. This straining step ensures a silky smooth texture. Cover the anura tightly with aluminum foil. Steam the flan over medium heat for 35 to 45 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Once steamed, let your Leche Flan cool completely at room temperature. Then, refrigerate it for at least 2 hours, or ideally overnight, to allow it to firm up properly. When ready to serve, run a thin knife around the edges of the anura, then carefully invert it onto a serving plate. The caramel will beautifully cascade over the flan. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other exclusive deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade Leche Flan.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.